Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add buttons on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on Squarespace right now, and I'm going to add a button to this page right over here. As you can see, I already have a button, and this just takes me to a PNG image I've uploaded, but I'm going to delete it and I'm going to start over. So first, enter the editor mode, and then delete whatever you need to delete. I'll delete everything here. And as you can see, I already have a section. I'll just remove it to show you guys how to add one. As you can see, on an empty page, you'll have add page content, and just click add section. Then from here, you can add a blank section, which I will be doing. And now we can add blocks. Under block, just click on button, and as you can see, we have a button over here. Now I'm just going to extend it and make the button larger, and I'm going to change the text and just name it button. Now, as you can see, it for some reason has shrunk, so I'm just going to extend it like so. And now we have our large button. Now, you can do a couple of different things with this button. You can click on it, click on edit, and you can edit the text. You can attach a link, or you can change the design. You can select either primary, secondary, or tertiary, depending on the site of your or the style on your site. You can click edit button styles to change the styles. For example, under tertiary, I'm gonna try and go ahead and change the button style just like this, and that is pretty much how you can change it. Click save, and I'm gonna go back over here. You can also add different things and different links to your buttons. You can click here to link something. You can link a URL, a file, an email, or a phone, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.